We'll guide you through how to use Figma's prototyping tools effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Figma and navigate to the design file you want to turn into a prototype. You'll see the prototype tab on the right-hand side of your screen. Click on it to enable prototyping mode. Now, you need to select the frame or object you want to use as a starting point. Once selected, look for the little circle with a plus sign on the right edge of the frame. Click and drag this circle to connect it to another frame or object that you want to link to. This action creates a connection line, which signifies interaction. After connecting frames, you'll see a small interaction panel pop up here. You can set the trigger for your interaction, like on tap or while hovering. Choose the trigger that suits your design needs. You can also define the animation types such as instant dissolve, smart animate, and more smart animate. It's particularly useful for creating smooth transitions between similar frames. Next, you can set the destination for your interaction, which is the frame you connected to earlier. To preview your prototype, click on the play button located at the top right corner of your screen. This will open a new window where you can interact with your prototype as if it were a real app or website. You can navigate through your design by clicking on hotspots and checking how your animations play out. This is a great way to test your design's flow and user experience. If you need to make changes, you can always go back to the design tab, adjust your frames, or modify interactions in the prototype tab. Remember, prototyping in Figma is a powerful way to bring your static designs to life, allowing you to test and iterate quickly. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.